Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are good. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with an amazing video. The topic of today is about science. So let's know about what is science. Science is a systematic and organized way of acquiring knowledge about the natural world through observation, experimentation, and analysis. It involves studying various phenomena, processes, and events in order to understand how they work and why they occur. Science is based on evidence, logical reasoning, and the formulation of testable hypotheses. The primary goals of science are to explain natural phenomena, make predictions about future events, and improve our understanding of the universe. It encompasses a wide range of disciplines including physics, chemistry, biology, geology, astronomy, psychology, and many others. The scientific method is still the foundation of science inquiry. It is typically involves the following steps. Number 1, observation. Scientists make observation and gather data about a particular phenomena or problem. Number 2, hypothesis. Based on the observation, scientists formulate a testable explanation called hypothesis. A hypothesis is proposed explanation that can be supported or refuted through experimentation or further investigation. Number 3, experiment. Scientists design and conduct experiments to test the hypothesis. They manipulate variables, collect data, and analyze the results to determine if they support or contradict the hypothesis. Number 4, analysis. Scientists analyze the data collected during the experiment to draw conclusions. This involves statistical analysis and interpretation of the result. Number 5, conclusion. Based on the analysis, scientists draw conclusions about the hypothesis. If the data supports the hypothesis, it may become a scientific theory or a law. If the data contradicts the hypothesis, scientists may revise or discard. Science is an ongoing process of discovery and refinement. New evidence, technologies, and theories constantly contribute to our understanding of the natural world. It plays a crucial role in evidence, knowledge, driving, innovation, and addressing societal challenges in the field. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos. Allah Hafiz. Take care.